Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Truist Mobile Banking app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to log in your Truist Mobile Banking app, all you need to do is simply tap open your Truist Mobile Banking app itself. So once you have opened it, you will be in this kind of interface, which will then lead you to this page. So now you need to type in your username, and once you have typed in your username, you need to type in your password of your account. So once you have filled in both the credentials, simply tap on the sign in button, which will then allow you to get signed in or logged in into your Truist Mobile Banking account. By following these simple, easy method, you will get your login access back. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and just give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.